Hi guys, I'm mfpmatias from YouTube. Just received these items from mcmotoparts to install on my Honda CBR 1000 RR 2016. The first one we have here are swing arm protector. I will show you. This is the rear sliders. It's made by nylon. Hope you can see it well. I love the shape of it, simple. Okay, the bolts to attach them on this axle blocks. These axle blocks, we need to replace them, the original ones, for these ones. They made this design, I like it. It's made by aluminium, just like the OEM ones. Okay. And the other item we have our front fork slider to match our rear ones. Stickers from mcmotoparts. Okay. They sell a lot of products, CNC parts, protectors, all kind of accessories. Okay, and the fork. Okay, it's this, the fork slider. Also love the design. We have this outside made by nylon, and this spacer, it's from aluminium. This spacer we can choose natural color, aluminium color, or black one. I choose this one, the all black. Okay. They also provide this. I'll show you this bolt to replace the OEM one, because I will show you just a moment. Okay, because this one has a small hole. The original doesn't have one, and we need this hole to bolt the slider. Okay guys, I will install this on my CBR like I said, and then show you the final results and the look of it. Okay, just install our sliders from mcmotoparts. Looks awesome. This axle blocks, and we have here our nylon slider. I will show you from the rear, left side, right side. Okay, and looks like this. Okay, about the front ones. They look like just like this. All black, nylon, and a bit of aluminium. Okay, the other side. We have the other side. Okay. Give you this look from behind. I like them a lot. What do you think, guys? Okay, don't forget to check their website, it's on the description. They have a lot of parts, CNC, protectors. Check them out, mcmotoparts.com. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.